Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a Doughnut chart in Microsoft Excel. It's quick, easy and perfect for visualizing your data, so let's get started. Okay, this is our raw data, so we'll begin with creating a Doughnut chart. Just resize it. We can remove title as well as legend, and we don't need this background color, so we can get rid of it. And we can remove the outline color as well. Now right click this orange part and fill it with gray color. We can remove the border. Now right click on the blue part and change its color to yellow. Border we can keep the same color. Width we can increase it to like 5 and change the dash type from here. Now copy it and create another chart. Now copy and paste it. Change the cell reference so that it represents different company, and we'll repeat the steps. The orange part will turn it to gray, and we don't need border. And blue part will give it a different color. Let's say this one. Border will be of the same color. Width will again be 5 and we'll change the dash type. Now fit it inside the first chart. Now repeat the steps. Again create another copy of the chart and change the cell reference. Again the orange part will replace it with gray color, and we don't need border. Blue part will replace it with some other color. Let's say this one. Border will be the same color. Width will be 5 and dash type will change it. Oops. Okay, now fit this inside the other two. Okay, it's all set now. Now let's do one more thing. Let's join the text. We want to change the format to percentage, so we'll apply a formula. This is exactly what we need. Now let's create another shape. And let's change the color to yellow. Border will be same. Create another shape. This time it will be a rectangle. What we want to do is to display this text into this box. Press enter and now do some alignment. This looks good. Now let's repeat the step. Now let's copy this. And change the reference. Apply the same formatting, and let's do it one more time. This looks great. Now bring them all next to the chart. Create one more shape. This time a rounded rectangle. Change the background color. We can remove the border, bring it to back. And we can change the shadow effect as well. Let's go with this one. Our chart is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.